this video, we will show you how to be ready for thunderstorm asthma and how you can reduce the chance of being affected by thunderstorm asthma. Check the thunderstorm asthma risk forecast on the Victorian Emergency website or app. This website or app will tell you if there is a high chance of thunderstorm asthma in your area. You can visit it or download it for free on your phone or tablet. Avoid being outdoors in a storm, especially during the winds that come before them. These winds can carry a lot of grass pollen and make it break into very small pieces. If you are outdoors, try to go inside as soon as possible. If you have asthma, see your doctor regularly. Update your asthma action plan. Always carry your reliever, medication, and treat any hay fever. If you experience hay fever, see your doctor or pharmacist about the best treatment and your risk of thunderstorm asthma. Have reliever medication available. Learn how and when to use your medication properly. Learn asthma first aid, and if you or your child have an asthma action plan, make sure you understand what to do for an asthma attack. The 4 steps of asthma first aid. Step 1. Sit up straight and stay calm. Step 2. Shake the blue or gray puffer. Put 1 puff into your spacer and take a breath 4 times from the spacer. Repeat this 4 times. Step 3. Wait 4 minutes and repeat step 2 if you don't feel better. Step 4. If you do not feel better, call 000. Repeat step 2 every 4 minutes while you wait. If you have any questions about hay fever or asthma, please speak to your GP. These are some ways that you can be ready for thunderstorm asthma and what to do if you have it. Remember, thunderstorm asthma can be serious and even life-threatening for some people. For more information about thunderstorm asthma, visit www.health.vic.gov.au Environmental Health/Epidemic Thunderstorm Asthma. To check for thunderstorm asthma warnings, visit emergency.vic.gov.au.